How to make your X/Twitter account private. So let's not waste any more time and head right to it. So first you open the Twitter app, and on the left side on the top you click on your profile picture. Once you click on your profile, you will see the setting and privacy option on the bottom left. Click on that. Once you click on that, you will get so many options in front of you. Click on privacy and safety. Once you click on privacy and safety, there will be an option of audience and tagging. Click on that. Once you click on audience and tagging, there will be an option of protect your post, and it says it will only show it to your current followers who follow you, whom you approve. So turn that on. Once you turn that on, your Twitter account becomes a private account, and people who follow you and you accept their request, those people only will be able to see your post. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.